Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm going to be walking you through how to be your own music promoter, because a lot of people be like, oh AY, like how do you used to promote your music? Like they'll like to learn how to promote their music themselves and all of that. So in this video I'm going to be walking you through how I literally promote my music, and also how I cannot promote other people's music as a music promoter. So without further ado, let's just dive into the video. So basically the platform I use in promoting my music and other people's music right here is called Vibmel. So you guys kind of know Vibmel as a music distribution company, but no, Vibmel is more than just a music distribution company, a music marketing company, a publishing company. So basically Vibmel has everything you need as an artist, as a label basically. So you can see right here on their page right here. So I'm going to be leaving the link in the video description. So once you click on the first link in the video description, it's going to take you straight to the Vibmel website. So what you just need to do is to just click on where it says promote on Vibmel. So once you click on that, it's going to take you right here to this page. So you can see right here that these are all the services they offer: Spotify promotion, both curated and editorial playlist. So for those of you who would like to get an editorial playlist or curated playlist on Spotify, you could get all the services right here. They also offer what's called Apple Music promotion, both curated and editorial playlist too. They also has Audiomack right here, both curated, trending, editorial playlist too. So basically you can literally get all the promotions you want. We also have Boomplay promotions, we have TikTok promotions, we have blog promotions, social media like Facebook ads, Instagram ads, Snapchat ad, radio ad. Basically everything you need right here, you could literally get it right here. So you could scroll down right here, you could see that these are some of their works, these are some of the artists they work with. You can see, because I was promoting my artists right here. I currently use their services to promote one of my artists, Real S. So basically let me show you guys. You can see right here the person has 70,000 streams on his EP. So basically this is the guy I was promoting. So we literally did a couple of work. We did both Spotify promotions, we did Audiomack editorial playlisting. You can see right here that I'm logged into this artist account, which is one of my artists that I'm currently promoting. You can see we are able to get on editorial playlist, and you can see right here that the EPs right here on Audiomack has about 26,000 streams, and one of his single right here has about 19,000 plus streams right here. So this song right here is on Audiomack editorial playlist. So let me just quickly show you guys there. Let me quickly show you guys okay, you can see right here this is the editorial playlist. So if I go on Audiomack right here, you're gonna notice that okay, I'm coming in a minute, so let's just wait for this to load. Basically you can see right here that this is an editorial playlist on Audiomack. So if I scroll down, you can see right here that this is my artist Real X O'Gara. So the name of the song is O'Gara. So if I actually click on it right here, you can see right here this song has, like, let's see the streams right here, because these are the editorial playlists we're able to get the song on. So you can see this song currently has about 7,000 streams, 70,000, so 7,000 streams plus. And you can see the artist is currently doing well, and this artist is currently on like 3 editorial playlists on Audiomack. So we basically did trending too. So basically you could literally get your song on trending, get your song on editorial playlist with Vibmel. So basically Vibmel was the services I use in promoting this artist. And also if you head over to his Spotify too, basically where's Spotify? Okay, Real X. If I type in Real X right here, Real X, so you can see right here the artist is currently doing well. We have about 27,000 streams on one of his release. We also have like about 36,000 streams, like that. So basically the artist is currently doing well, and we are able to get on editorial playlists on both Audiomack and also on Boomplay basically. So let me try show you. You can see right here this is trending. This is trending. You can see we are able to get on trending on Audiomack. So let me just wait for that to load. So basically you can see right here this artist currently has like 130,000 streams, and you can see right here Vibmel was the platform I use in promoting the artist. You can see the artist has a couple of streams. He has like 25,000 plus streams on Boomplay. You know, basically this artist is doing well for himself. So you can see right here that this is the artist, my conversation with the artist. So this was the editorial playlist we were able to get on Boomplay. I think we got on like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 editorial playlists on Boomplay. So basically all you need to do to promote yourself as an artist, or if you would like to start or you like to become a music promoter and you want to start promoting people's music right here and make money for yourself, this is an opportunity for you to start making money for yourself. So all you need to do is just, whenever you see an artist you want to work with, what you need to do is to head over to Vibmel basically and check out their services right here. You can see right here that this Vibmel has promoted a lot of artists. You can see this artist has like 22 million 22 million streams. This one has like almost like 5 million streams, like that, like that, like that, like that. So you can see they even promoted one of the biggest song right here, which is Arike, which was Arike was one of the biggest song in Nigeria. For those of like, you know, apart from in Nigeria, the song literally went globally. So this song is really like they have promoted top artists right here basically. So what you need to do right here, basically, if you need more, if you would like to learn more about their promotional services, you could just, you know, read through this. So what you need to do is just click on start campaign. And by the way, guys, if you know you're finding any value from this video so far, please do well to give the video a like, smash that subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, because on my channel right here I walk you through how to promote yourself as an artist. I walk you through music distribution and everything you need to know about the music business. So on my channel right here I'm going to be dropping helpful video on how you could literally improve yourself as an artist and everything you need to know about the music business. So if you know that is something you're interested in, please do well to give the video a like, smash that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell. So basically what you need to do is just come over here, then you just click on start campaign, and it's going to take you straight to their pricing. So basically with just $4, guys, with just $4, I think $4 should be about like 6,000 naira in Nigerian currency, you could literally promote your song on Audiomack. And you can see right here that these are some of the estimated streams you're gonna get, from 500 to like 1,500 streams per month on your song with just $4. Like you see right here, they have one of the best affordable music promotion package right here. So you can see they also have the one of $9. You can see right here, these are all the streams you're gonna be getting. So this basically, this is Audiomack promotion. So you can see right here, these are all the stuff you're gonna be getting. You're gonna get on one medium created playlist, and you can see right here that these are all the stuff, these are all the followers. You know, basically you could see an estimated of what you are gonna be getting for the amount of money you are paying on the platform. So basically these are Audiomack's promotion. They also have like TikTok promotion too, if you like to like blow up your song on TikTok or get people to start using your song on TikTok for just $14, which is about probably like 20,000 naira in my currency. You could, in naira, sorry, you could literally get people to use your sound. So they have TikTok promotion, you know, TikTok micro influencers, they have Boomplay promotions. You know, basically you could just go through this and just, you know, check out whatever package you want to go for. We also have Boomplay promotions. You can see there are a lot of promotions right here, Spotify and everything. So what you just need to do right here is to just click on choose a plan. So once you choose a plan right here, and just fill in your details. And by the way, if you're literally having issues making payment on the platform, and or probably they are not accepting your card, I'm going to advise you use a platform right here. There's one platform, probably in my next video I'm going to be creating a more detailed video kind of cards you could use to pay for promotions or music distribution online basically. But the platform I use in paying for music promotions, or the platform I use in paying for subscriptions on for distribution, is literally Gray. So basically once you click on the first link in the video description, it's going to take you straight to Gray. So basically what you need to do is just make sure you sign up. So once you sign up, you could literally get a card. So you can see right here, you could just get a new card right here. You could either get a Visa card or a MasterCard. And by the way, once you use my link in the video description, you're going to be getting a welcome bonus. But if you know you feel like you do not need the welcome bonus, I think the welcome bonus should be about like $5 or so, I don't know. But if you feel like you don't need the money, you could, there's no need in using the link in the video description. So you could also use the link in the video description to sign up on Gray. So in my next video, I'm going to be creating a full video on how to sign up, how to get a new card on Gray, and everything you need to know about Gray. So basically you could usually use your Gray card to literally pay for subscription on Vibmel or any other platform that you like to make purchases on. Basically, like I said, guys, if you are getting any value from the video, please do well to give the video a like, smash that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell. Anytime I drop some videos, you're gonna be the first person to be notified. So guys, that's how you could literally become your own music promoter. So you could literally just go on Vibmel, and basically they're gonna be the one to handle the process for you. So basically once you make purchases, it's gonna take about like 24 hours to 48 hours for them to start your campaign basically. So because these guys literally promote a lot of artists, so you need to be patient. But trust me, I've used their services. As you can see right here, I've also showed you guys proof that of one of the artists I've literally promote on Vibmel, because you guys know that before I actually share anything on my YouTube channel, I always make sure I test them out and their work before I kind of create a video about them, because I love to test out things before I just come on my channel and give you guys the updates, because I'm different from other creators that they are not gonna test out the stuff. They're just gonna come on the channel, just do a random video to the stuff and all of that. But me, I'm different right here. I love to test out stuff before I literally create a video on it. And by the way, if you know you want to distribute your music to, Vibmel also distributes music to streaming platform for an affordable price. So you could just go over to their pricing, then check their pricing. You just choose the one you know you could afford basically, and they kind of have like a cool pricing right here, right here. So if you don't like subscription, or if you don't want to be renewing your subscription, you can always go with what's it called, their one-time payment fee right here. I think this should be their one-time payment fee, so which is their taking off plan. So you can just pay $23, and basically you'll be able to distribute both music, video, and also audio distribution right here. You can see right here, you can just scroll through their their plans right here. So they also have the one of per release, where you could just pay $7 and you could literally release your music basically. So guys, I hope the video was helpful to you, and if you know it did, do want to give the video a like, smash that subscribe button, and turn on the notification bell. So basically, if you know you want to learn the best card to use to pay for online stuff, or you like to pay for distribution, or you like to pay for music promotion, if you know you want to learn the best card you could use, I'm going to advise you click on the video popping right here on the screen. I'm going to see you guys in the next video.